So now I'm going to go to my hairdresser just to tone my hair and to do a treatment for my dandruff problem. So I'm so excited to see the result for my dandruff and for toning my hair, because my hair after 1 month and a half tend to be more yellow, but I want more ashy cold tone. In the past this was purple, now it is blue. I don't know what to think. Maybe I will give it a try or just give to my daughter, because she now has color her hair in a black blue color. This fluid leave-in by Alpha Parf. It is their all-in-one fluid for normal hair. It has a lot of good ingredients, and it has a white texture, so it doesn't bother my ashy cold tone. I will give it a try and I will let you know what are my thoughts to this product.